Good morning, students. Now HS2ndyr, commerce, CMST class. We have started set and its definition. Now, students, new things we have to remember that every day you have to submit your homework, and those who will submit homework next day will announce that he is present, and those who will not respond, don't submit your homework, not able to submit, then they will be treated as absent. And you cannot blame the college, because if 80%, less than 80% of your attendance, you cannot say it in the final exam. Another thing, your parents will be called for all these things, because you are not attending the video classes. That is a main matter. Okay, now let us start. We have done set and its operation. Set is what? It is a collection of distinct and well-defined objects. Then it is set. Now exercise 3.1. First question. All prime numbers less than 100, they said, is it a set? Now see that all the numbers, prime numbers less than hundreds are 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, like that, and less than 100, that is up to 97, we can write. So these are the prime numbers. So these are the well defined and distinct. So we can say it is, yes, it is a set. Number 2, they said all real numbers lying between 5 and 6. It is well defined as well as distinct. No different answer from two persons will come. Two or many persons, if we asked what are the real numbers between 5 and 6, answer will be same. So of course this is a well defined and distinct, so it is yes also. Now question number 3, all long rivers of the world. Is it a set? Long rivers. Long means how much long? That is a question mark. A river, if I say that this length is this much kilometer, more than that, then it will be the exact one. But if I say long, longest not said, long and short, who will define? It is not a well defined things. You cannot say that to tell them. For one, it is 1 kilometer, 2-3 kilometers of rivers are there, short river. And some are to 1,000 kilometers are there. So up to that, whether 500, more than 500 kilometer, if it is a long, so you cannot say. So that's why it is not a set, because this is not a well defined and distinct. Now question number 4. All beautiful girls of your college. Now it is to depends on person to person. For one person, one is beautiful, another may not be so much beautiful. So that's why it is not a set. Now question number 5. All chairs and tables of your college. It is to well said. So we can collect it. We can say what are the things. So of course it is a set. And then last of this one is all books which are fun to read. Now that is again a confusing. Person to person fun thing is different. For one person comedy fun, this is different from others. So that's why we cannot say that it is a set. So it is not a set as it is not well defined and distinct. Now question number 2. Describe the following set in the roster form. First one, set of letters in the word commerce. So commerce, what are the letters? C, O, M. Double time M, so we will write single time. Then E, then ER, then C we will not write, already written, and E also written. So these are the letters. So this we have written in the roster or tabular form we have written. Now question number 2. X is a real number and this. So you see that what they say, x square minus 49 is equal to 0. This means what? X square is 49. This means x is plus minus 7. So our this set which contains all the real values. So these are the minus 7 and plus 7 is the answer. Number 3. X is a natural number, x is a multiple of 6 and x square should be less than 400. Now multiple of 6 means what? 6, then 12, then 18, then 24, then again 30. Now 6 square should be, we have to take those one whose square is less than 400. So automatically 6, its square 36 less than 400, so we can calculate it. Then 12 square is 144, so we can take 12 also. Then if I take 18, its square is 324, so we can take 18 also. Now this one, 24 square is 576, so we cannot take, because all the squares whose value is less than 400, we will take only that much only. Then question number 4. 4 is, that is all the positive integers which are less than positive integer x square minus x should be equal to 0. Now x square minus x is equal to 0 means x we have to take this. So x is what? 0 and 1. So our this one is 0 and 1. Just I have solved and I have written. So this is our question number 2. So now I want to give question number 5 and 6 as your homework. 2, 5 as well as 6. These two are as homework. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is what? That x is integer and twice x plus 3 is equal to 4. So if I want to write this twice x plus 3 is equal to 4, means what? Twice x is 1, that means x is half. So you see that x is integer and twice x plus 3 is equal to 4. If I solve it, we get x is what? Half. It is not any integer. So of course it is a null set. This or that you can write. And last of this question number 2, x such that x is a prime number and it lies between 0 and 20. So here it will be 0 to 20. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 13, 17, 19. So these are the prime numbers lying between 0 to 20. Now question number 3, describe in set builder form. Here A is given U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We have to write in set builder form. How to write? We will write X such that X is last 6 numbers of English alphabet. So we can write in this way. So this way we can write second one. B is given 1, 4, 9, 16. 1, 4, 9, 16. So I can write it is in this form X such that X is equal to n square. N is what? Natural number and n is less than, as we have written here, last one is 16, so n is less than 5. So less than 5, all the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write 1 square as 1, that is there, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Now question number 3. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7. So what we can write about this one? X, such that x is equal to 1 by n. What is n? N is a natural number. N is what? Greater than 1 and less than 8 if I write. So in between 1 and 8, numbers are 2 to 7. If I put 2, 3, 4, this will give our values as like that. Now question number 4. Four is B. They have said -1, -2, -3, ... this one. So we can write this one as D x such that x is equal to minus n, n belongs to n. We can write this one this way in so many ways. Minus n means what? Negative of natural numbers. So that is also, or we can write in the book the what answer is given, x is negative integer. That also you can write. Now question number 5. 5 is E, and they have given -5, -10, this one. So shall I write it is negative multiple of 5. So of course x is what? X such that x equal to -5 and n is what? N belongs to natural numbers. So this can give our answer. Now 6 and 7 I want to give as 6 and 7. This 4 sum as your homework. Now question number 4. Write down the following statements using set notation. That is, in the form of set we have to write x is not an element of set B. That is, x not belongs to B. This symbol we can use. If it is inside B, then we can say it belongs to. If it is not, then we can say not it is. B contains A. That is, B is superset of A. Then say A is a proper subset of C. A proper subset means not equal to sign is there, C. Then 4. Neither A is a subset of B nor B is a subset of A. So we'll say A not subset of B means this symbol, and B is not, so we'll write B, this M, A. So these are our these things we have done in question number 5. So student, that much for today. I expect you will do your homework and will submit. That much for today.